Hi guys, welcome back to How to Food. Today I'll be showing you how to make some cured and smoked bacon. We'll be making three different versions. The one will be Umami Bom, the one will be a sweet one, and the one will just be your standard. So we'll be tasting the three versus one another. So we start off with the cure. It's basically sugar. In this case it's brown sugar, works very good. Almost the same amount of salt, a little bit less. And then this basically forms the base of the cure. I'll be adding things to this cure for the three different ones, but this forms your base. Just some black sugar, just some black pepper. I use Prague Powder in my curing just to give you the peace of mind that it lasts a little bit longer and it's safe to eat. So I will be using curing salt and I'll be posting links from where to get it as well. As you can see, that was pink Prague powder. That is basically curing salt. It gives bacon its distinct pink color and also helps preserve it for longer in the fridge. Not that I think it's going to last very long. Alright guys, so you use half of your brown on the bottom side. For this we'll be using Skinless Boneless Pork Belly. Then you just cover it all across the surface. And that's it guys. Mix it through thoroughly. Place it in the freezer bag. The second one will be the sweet one. So basically it's just nutmeg and maple syrup. That's included in the brine. The rest is all the same. And then we're just going to place this in a Ziplock bag. And we'll let that cure for 7 days. And guys, you can take some coffee. Just throw it in, shake it around. That's it. You can do all this in the bag if you want. It's just sometimes easier outside of the bag first initially. And alright guys, to the Umami Bom, we'll be adding some paprika to our base. Add lots of paprika. Then we're going to add some broken up bay leaves. That's it. So there you've seen the three different cures we're going to do. We're going to put it in the fridge for 7 days. I recommend using a Ziplock bag and then also put it inside of a dish tray or something, so if it leaks out of the Ziplock bag it doesn't leak into your fridge. Turn it every day. 7 days later we're going to put it in the smoker. See you guys in 7 days. After 7 days of curing guys, you'd see your bacon would be released a lot of moisture, as you can see over here. And it will be much firmer. So to prevent it from not being too salty, we'll have to wash this under the tin. After it's been cured for 7 days, we'll take it to the smoker. First I'll dry the bacon off by putting it in a roaster or in a braai griddle, just to get it wind dry so we don't have all that moisture when we take it to the smoker. We'll smoke it to an internal temperature of 150 degrees, and that should take between 3 and 4 hours. After about 3 hours and an internal temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit, of nie, 130, this is what you're left with. It's simply amazing. Off camera I just had a piece, that's why it's all cut up, but this is well worth the time. This is the coffee and maple syrup one, this is the Umami Bom, and this is the standard one. We'll be tasting the three against each other. Bacon is smoked to a temperature that is safe to eat straight off the smoker, but it takes it to a next level when you're frying it off in the pan. I use a slicing knife to get nice thick cut bacon. There's no point in spending all that time and cheating yourself. Alright, finally, the moment I've been waiting for, the taste test. So on the top we've got the coffee and maple syrup one, in the middle we've got the Umami Bom, and at the bottom we've got the standard salt and sugar. Let's go. You can really taste the maple syrup on that one, it's very good. And the coffee just changes a little bit. Break my cork. Maple syrup one. Alright, the verdict. This bad boy is the winner. Maple syrup and coffee. That's it for another episode. Stay tuned to see what we're going to do with this bacon. Maybe a carbonara, maybe a BLT. Tune in next week and find out. If you like these videos, please give it a like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell above. Until next time.